Crafty Otter. I will be trying some more slime. That's basically what I'm doing a lot now, but okay. So I found this in a bag, I guess after we went to, a hotel. So this is Pantene shampoo and conditioner. I'm gonna open it. These are tests, so I don't know how these. Open. No.
I really need to put it in the faucet.
Okay, so I finally got it open. Oh my god.
Glue?
No.
What is it?
Shampoo.
Okay. Don't let it get on our thing. Wipe it quick. Where is my
Okay.
watermelon?
So, I didn't get so good. So much. Okay, now I have to go get some.
Wait for you.
Okay. I have to clean this up.
10 gallons?
Okay.
10 gallons?
Okay,
One
there we go. So, there we go. Okay, so I'm going to add some salt, more Tall salt. Actually, it might have been enough. I don't know why I'm using a spatula. Okay. Going to keep mixing. Mix. Yeah, I don't think this works. I think I just added too much salt. So that's why it's like super liquidy. So.
My magazine filled. What do you want to use it for?
Whoa, don't fall. Wait, so, yeah, I have this on like 3 things. But yeah, it turned out so watery. What if I added shampoo? Because I have the shampoo, which is probably the only other shampoo. If I added some. Whoa! That fell.
What does that smell? Watermelon.
Nope, don't think it worked. It's just super watery. Okay, well, that was a fail. Let's move on. So now I will be trying the cornstarch and conditioner. I have 4 bottles of conditioner, small bottles, but these small things have a lot in them. So first I'm going to add conditioner. Okay. Add 1 more. This one's soft, but I'm pretty sure just any conditioner works. So, I'm going to add cornstarch. Don't think this will work for this spatula. I think it's enough. Now we're going to mix. So, while you're mixing, if it's too wet, I'm about to do this. You're going to add more cornstarch. Mix it. Okay, and then if it's too dry, you add more conditioner. Just don't use all your conditioner in the first try, because you might need a little more, a little less, you know. Not a little less, you can't add a little less, just, yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and do this ahead of time. I'm gonna add food coloring and smoother. I don't have any red, so no red going in there. I'm going to add, let's do green, because the spatula cut, that's nice. One. Okay, I think I need more cornstarch.
Oh. Does it work?
Mix it. Yeah, mix. This might take a little while, long process, but it will. Ooh, let me check. Yeah, it'll eventually become. This is gonna become like a dough slime. So, like I did with the flour and water, with this conditioner and cornstarch. So this is still extremely sticky, kind of. But it's sticky, I can't talk on YouTube. This is still so liquidy. I should have just put like one thing of conditioner. Except add more. Oh my god, you're already running out of cornstarch. I got this yesterday. Well, yesterday I got it. I went and buy it. We didn't go out and buy it. My grandpa had it. And let me. My aunt was my grandpa. And my uncle. Anyways, they let me have it. And it was already used, of course, but it was almost to the top. Okay. Take off the cornstarch on this spatula. This conditioner on the outside. Let's see if I can go in with my hands. Because now I can't touch the camera. So now you just like knead it. This video would have been way shorter if I was able to fast forward this, but I don't know how. So sad. I need help. Somebody help me. Anyways. Now you're going to knead it. Whoa! Oh my gosh. Okay, so I took away a cut because it fell. Let me try to do this. So here we go. This is like dough-ish. So if you want it dough kind of consistency, then this is how you will have it. Okay, so I think I might need more conditioner. So I'm gonna go with the conditioner. Nope, that's empty. like I said, I have 4 bottles of liquor, so it works. Just a little bit though. Take my spatula. Push. My friend is doing a YouTube. She will be doing a YouTube channel, I'm pretty sure. Well, that's what she told me. And it's basically the LPSs, and I'm doing like a shout out to her. I guess. I don't know. I'm not popular enough to do shout outs, but but yeah. And we're doing Bean Boozled in that with LPSs, and she will mention my name, Drafty Otter, so that's how you know that's the person I shouted out to.